Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable downloading in Google Drive so people can view your file but they cannot download it, print or copy it. So this works if you have shared something with someone. So as you can see, we'll see this icon which says shared, and if you click on it, then right click, share, share again. Here you can see people with the access to the file. You can also see the roles. So it doesn't matter what role they have because you can turn the setting either for editor, commenter or viewer. So you just want to click on this settings icon, and here it's going to show you people who can download, copy and print. And if you turn editors off, it will turn commenters and viewers as well. So you want to uncheck this, and now they cannot download, copy or print your file which you shared. You can also disable access here to editors to change permissions and share, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.